In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, marketing professional, or just someone looking to streamline your customer management, HubSpot offers a range of tools that can really make a difference. Let's walk through the process of setting up your HubSpot account step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and go to hubspot.com. This is the main website where you'll find links to all their products and services. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. Now, what we're really looking for here is a button that says Get Started Free. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage to help new users easily begin their HubSpot journey. Go ahead and click on that button. This is your doorway into the HubSpot ecosystem and the first step towards unlocking all its robust capabilities. Next, you'll be prompted to sign up, which is a straightforward process. You'll need to enter your email address and create a password. A little tip. Try to choose a password that's strong and secure to keep your information safe, but also something memorable. Once you've got your credentials ready, input them carefully and follow the prompts to create your account. HubSpot values your security, and this initial setup ensures that your account remains protected. After signing up, HubSpot will send a verification email to the email address you registered with. Checking your inbox and perhaps the spam folder. If you don't see it right away, look for this email. Verification acts as a security check and ensures that the email address you provided is correct and accessible. Simply click the link in the email to verify your account, and just like that, you're officially in the HubSpot family. Now that you're logged in, the next step involves setting up your workspace. This part is really about tailoring HubSpot to fit your specific needs. The platform will guide you through this setup with prompts and helpful tips. You'll add your company name, website, and any other pertinent details. This information helps HubSpot deliver a personalized and effective experience for you, ideally matching your business needs with its many features. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've joined an incredibly powerful platform designed to enhance your business operations. As you start exploring, you will uncover tools that support everything from lead generation to customer communication and data analysis. Remember, the more accurate and detailed your initial setup, the better HubSpot can work for you. Feel free to explore its extensive resource library for helpful guides and tutorials as you become more familiar with the platform. Thanks for watching, and happy HubSpotting!